it's Jessica from expressionsvinyl.com. Have you ever wanted to put heat transfer vinyl on something stretchy, like a headband or a fitted shirt? The good news is you can. The Siser Easyweed Stretch is the perfect product for this. The stretch is made up of 3 layers. You've got your clear carrier sheet, your vinyl, and the adhesive on the back. This is where you're going to cut. You want to cut through the adhesive and the vinyl, not through this clear carrier sheet. So you'll want to flip or mirror your image. So I've already cut this little piece out, and I'm going to show you how stretchy it is. See that stretch? It's super easy to weed. So now we've got that all weeded out, you can see why I needed to flip my image. The back side of this clear carrier sheet is sticky and it's holding all my vinyl on there. So now we're ready to flip it onto our project. And I am going to put a little pillow underneath to give me an even surface and give those seams something to cushion into. So your temperature for Easyweed Stretch is 305. And you're going to make sure you get plenty of pressure on that for 10 to 15 seconds. So once you've got that applied, you can peel your clear carrier sheet hot or cold, and you've got your onesie all done that you can stretch over your baby. The Siser Easyweed Stretch comes in a ton of colors and is super fun to use in an array of projects. If you liked this and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks, guys.